Hello, Scorpios. Hi, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This reading is for the zodiac sign Scorpios for the month of 2021, for the month of October. Okay, and yes, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. Otherwise, you need to check out the other YouTubers, guys. I'm just checking out which card is really, there's some card which is not in the same systematic order, so I'm just trying to make sure that all the cards are very good. So what's coming up for you in the month of October? Okay, let's see. Okay, your energies are scattered, Scorpios, at least in the month of, this is a career life and relationship. So first we'll talk about career. Okay, relationship. I don't know why your energies are scattered. Things are not going on good, or what's going on with you, but yeah. Okay. So Scorpios, two types of situations I'm seeing in your career life. Same pattern of earning is ending, or a same pattern of in your career life is ending. It might not be, bad ending, negative ending, but it may be a positive ending. Like you might be thinking to start something new, end something old, or starting a new business or career option, or ending some old patterns of working, the old style of working. Okay, so something is coming to an end and something new is just starting. Okay, there's a major wish fulfillment which is about to come true. It will take a time of 1 year, but within 1 year a new wish fulfillment is about to happen, or your wish is going to get fulfilled within next 1 year for sure. Okay, you have, you have kept a lot of boundaries. Okay, you have guarded up your walls, and no one can enter into that walls when it comes to your career life. You have reduced socializing with people. You are analyzing a lot about situations around you, people around you, or about your work life, about your money related stuff, but analyzing a lot, analysis is going on a lot. Okay, in your career life, financial life, thinking about a lot about situations when it comes to your career life. Okay, when it comes to your relationship, you're releasing the third party situation, or you are, ending a third party situation, or just ending a third party situation. Either a third party interference or third party was involved in your personal life, so you are ending that third party situation, releasing the third party situation. You're trusting a lot into your intuition level. A lot of, you know your intuition is guiding you somewhere. Okay, so you are trusting a lot. Okay, also in your personal life, you are juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions. There has to be a lot of confusion is happening in your personal life, how it's going, how it's working, is it right or not. Okay, so there's a situation where you are juggling confusion. A lot of confusion is there, confused energy is there, and you need to trust a lot on your intuition level. Okay, if you want certain wish to come true in your personal life as well, and you have released the third party situation, or you are thinking or trying to release it, ending something old and starting something new, which is very good. Okay, or third party interference was there, that is coming to an end. Okay, which is very good in the month of October. Also, one more thing, guys, if you want to have one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to have one-on-one session with me, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to order energized and activated bracelets and anklets, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to enroll for Vastu session and energy consultation, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so Scorpios, I just need to tell you a few of the things you need to practice. you can become a magician if you are looking, if you are musician, and if you are thinking to start something related to instrumental things, so you start practicing your skills when it comes to either becoming a musician, a performer, an actor or singer. It can be anything. Okay, spend time with your nature. A lot of, you need a retreat, you need to nurture yourself, you need time in the nature. So start spending time with nature. Okay. Okay, so your natural energy healing abilities are an important part of your life purpose. So some of you might become a energy healer as well. Okay, or some of you might be healing other people through your chakras, through your third eye. Okay, so yeah, which is very good. So you are working for the humanity, which is a very good cause. Okay, options: consider the career possibilities that are open for you. So okay, so if you are thinking to start something new, or if you want to expand something new, so you might be you need to explore other career options or other career possibilities as well, Scorpios. Okay, the others of you might be a doctor or a healer, or must be taking care of other people, so which is a very good thing. Your purpose, whatever is your purpose, whatever you are going through currently, Scorpios, there is a divine protection. Whatever career change or career path you are using, a divine protection is there. I think so that angel guardians are protecting you, whatever path you are on to. Okay, which is very good. You are divinely guided, which is very good. Okay, and you are working for humanity, or thinking about working with humanity. It may be working for animals, working in nature, working for humanity, serving to the human beings. It can be anything, but yeah, for a good cause you are doing. Okay, engagement. So few of the Scorpios, engagement is on the horizon. Okay, if you were in a relationship, you might be thinking to get engaged with someone. Okay, you're releasing the ex. This is a time to clear your energy. You are ending the relationship with your ex. Okay, or ending a relationship with a third party interference, third party situation. Okay, if you have met someone new, okay, and if you are just dating and getting to know each other recently, okay, so this is the right person for you. This is the right person for you for sure. Okay, and if you have a doubt on yourself that am I doing right, is this the right time to fall in love with someone or be with someone, so I think this is safe to fall in love. Okay, open your heart chakra, and you can open your heart chakra and be ready for the same, because there are a lot of options waiting for you, Scorpios. Okay, don't be like now I don't want any relationship, now I don't want anything in life. Okay, be optimistic. Whatever when karmic situation comes to an end, new beginning happens. Okay, which is very good and very positive. Okay, stay optimistic about your love life. Okay, so yes, there is something. Keep faith and things will start moving on with you. Okay, so yeah, your love is about to happen. There is a love happening. You have romantic feelings for someone, which is worth exploring. Okay, there is someone with whom you have romantic feelings for someone, and you are deserved. Okay, you are desirable. Very soon you need to make a decision related to your personal life, related to your personal life, personal situations. Okay, so there are romantic feelings involved, and there is love involved into your relationship. Okay, your feelings are real and worth exploring, which is very good. Okay, so yes, I hope you like this reading, guys. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye, take care, Scorpios.